RA54HDBK series is a high-performance solar panel included in TPC Solar's extensive range of solar energy solutions. Product range 440 to 460 watts. Positive power tolerance. 0 to plus 5 watts maximum efficiency. 23.02%. TPC Solar's high-efficiency solar panels provide dependable power and enduring performance, making them ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. TPC RA54HDBK Black Series is made of aluminum hollow chamber frame on each side with N-type rectangle bifacial. It is a double glass high efficiency, giving a higher module output up to 460 watts. TPC solar panels are engineered with high-quality materials, delivering outstanding performance and exceptional value at an affordable price. At TPC Solar, we provide high customer value, customer support, 30-year product warranty, products with complete certifications. TPC Solar is pleased to announce international shipping of our products, with a particular focus on the Middle East. TPC Solar is committed to providing reliable service and ensuring that our solar solutions reach clients efficiently. Visit us at tpcsolars.com.